Hello children. Last video I have explained question number first. Now I want to explain question number second, that is subtract. In question second we have to subtract this all the rational number. Means subtract, in subtraction what we do, just you see here 1 upon 12, we have to subtract 1 upon 12 from minus 7 upon 30. So in that case what we do, question is given in integer or whatever any place, just you subtract 4 from 10. So what we do in this question, we have to do 10, first of all we have to write down 10, then write down minus 4 like that. Okay, so answer will come 6. So like that we have to do in this rational number also, because from we have to subtract. So first whatever number is given in this side, first we write down this side, means minus 7 upon 30 minus 1 upon 12, because subtraction is given, that's why I put there minus. Okay, now both have negative sign, so first of all we have, whatever the sign is there, first of all you have to make else denominator same, means you have to take LCM of 30 and 12. So LCM of 30 and 12 what will come? If you will take LCM of 30 and 12, so just you get 2, here 15, 6, then 2, 5 will come, sorry, this one is 15 and 3, and then 3 ja 5, 1, then 5 ja 1, 1. Multiply, this 60 will come. So you have to write down here 60. In 30 table 60 will come 2 times, so you have to multiply by 2. In 12 table 60 will come 5 times, you multiply by 5 here. Now you multiply 7 to the 14, so minus 14 will come here, minus 5 will come. Same like that you have to do here also, means just both have negative sign, so we will add and answer will come in negative. So minus 14 minus 5 minus 19 upon 16. So this is the final answer, subtraction of this number. After that, next part is we have to subtract 6 upon minus 7 from minus 11 upon 28. So first of all we have to write down minus 11 upon 28 minus 6 upon minus 7. Okay, so in this case we have to subtract. For that, that's why I have put here minus sign, and previously I had minus sign in the number, so that's why I put here a small bracket, because those two signs are there, so this with both signs will not come together, that's why I put here small bracket. After that you have to remove this small bracket, so minus 11 upon 28, this minus and this minus will get plus, so you have to write a plus 6 upon 7. Okay, just be careful here, this minus and this minus, that's why I written here plus. Okay, already minus sign previously in which number is there, and from subtraction I have put here minus, that's why both are get minus minus plus. After taking the LCM, now you have to take LCM 28 and 7, so how much LCM will come? LCM will come 28. Now in 28 1 ja will come, so multiply by 1, 7, 4 ja 28, multiply by 4, so minus 11 plus 24. So here just you see here minus 11 24. If sometimes written minus 11 plus 24, or sometimes written 24 minus 11, both are same value. Just here written is, just you see here, this one is also plus, this one is also plus, this one is negative, this one is also negative. So just this position is different, but both has same expression. So if you will subtract this will also subtract. Sometimes the students will do wrong. Yes, the student will see here plus, that's why they both will added, then answer will get plus. But that is wrong answer, because there minus sign is there, so you have to subtract 24 minus 11. So 24 minus 11, how much will come? 13 will come. 24 minus 11, 13 will come. So answer will be 13, because positive sign is more, that's why answer will be positive. So 13 upon 28. Answer is 13 upon 28. Next part, we have here mixed fraction is given. So first of all we have to arrange. Arrange means first of all we have to write down this one, then minus this one. So minus 7 1 upon 10 minus 2 3 upon 5. After that we have to remove this mixed fraction. So minus 71 upon 10 and 10 plus minus 13 upon, sorry, minus sign is already there. So 13 upon 5. Now we have to take LCM. So LCM will be 10 and 5 will be 10 only. So 10 1 is 10, we have to multiply 1 only. 5 2 is 10, so multiply by 2 here. So minus 71 minus 26. Now we have to add 6 plus 1 7 and 7 plus 2 9. So 97 upon 10 minus 97 upon 10. After that you have to convert it to mixed fraction, then you will get minus 9 7 upon 10 because 9 7 10 9 90 plus 7 97. After that, so final answer is 9 whole 7 upon 10. Like that, next part we have to do here. So first of all we have to write on this part 4 1 upon 4 minus and then put here 1 small bracket because two signs are coming together, that's why. Okay, so minus 1 1 upon 2. That's why I put here small bracket because two signs are coming together. After then, just you remove this small bracket as well as mixed fraction. So 4 4 is 16, 17. 17 upon 4 will come, minus minus will get plus 2 1 3 upon 2. So both are positive because this minus minus will get plus and previously positive sign is there. So now you take LCM. 4 and 2 LCM will be 4 only. After that 7 in 4 table 70 1 only and 2 table 2 to 3 to 6. So 17 plus 6 17 plus 6 it will come 23 upon 4. Okay. After that convert into mixed fraction, then you will get 5 3 upon 4 because 5 4 is 20 20 plus 3 23 upon 4. Like that you have to do question number 7.